Tokyo, Japan. It's a place I've always wanted to visit since I was a child. Growing up in the 1980s, I loved Nintendo and Sega. Because of video games from Japan like Street Fighter II, I found Japanese animation, and the rest is history. Now, I'm finally getting the opportunity to experience the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. But I'm a disabled traveler who's never been outside of the United States. How will I do as a visually impaired traveler? Stay tuned to find out. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that being disabled means a lot of planning. So I've been preparing for this trip for months. Getting my visa, making lists of things to pack, attempting to coordinate dates and times with the different time zones for things that I want to do. It can be a bit daunting, but also quite exhilarating as well. I take a travel van to the airport for an early 7 o'clock a.m. flight. Being a disabled guy, I'm very thankful for the help through the airport. Without these services, someone like me would not be able to reach their flight on time. Alright, made it to the Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, and I've gone through security after a nice frisk pat down. I think I am hopefully ready to board pretty soon. The onboard food wasn't bad at all. And after 14 hours, I land in Haneda Airport in Tokyo, Japan. As exhausted as I am, I'm really excited to be here. I end up taking a bus from the airport to Shinjuku. This bus ride in was really surreal. To be in Tokyo, a place I had dreamed about being since I was very young, and to have it finally come true is something that is really hard to describe in words. So I just sit back and enjoy the views. From here, I get lost, manage to trip and fall, but eventually find Hotel Gracery, known by many as the Godzilla Hotel. As tired as I am, I can't help but take a look around the hotel. But before that...
The Disabled Traveler is brought to you by viewers like you. Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, and if financially able, please support me by going to patreon.com/RetroRyu. Thank you. I ended up taking a bus that actually drops you off at the Shinjuku station, which is very near the hotel, but something was going on, some kind of event was going on, so I sort of had to go around, and anyway, I got lost, and eventually I did find my way, thank goodness. So, interesting fact, the lobby here at the Godzilla Hotel is on the 8th floor. So, yeah, interesting. So you put your card in here, and that turns on the lights. Here you've got a nice closet, bathroom here. I'll check that out in a minute. Excuse my my luggage. Got a nice fridge here. The telly, and got my cane in the way here. The all-important Wi-Fi info. Nice bed. And a beautiful, beautiful view. There goes my cane. As you can see, I'm a klutz if there ever was one, but yeah, beautiful view of the city. Who doesn't love that? The dirty glasses after a very long flight. I came in from Atlanta, so you can imagine. This is the air system here. I'm getting it nice and cool. Bathroom here. So here's the toilet, the sink. And man, I'm looking forward to a shower after my long trip. Okay, so there's another switch here that turns that on. Nice door here. And a nice shower. You know, one thing I really like about Japan is the fact that they keep the toilet room, the bathroom, the bathroom is like separate from the shower area, typically. I've always thought that made a lot of sense, you know. Despite how tired I was and how rough I looked, I decided to go to the hotel lobby to check out some Godzilla goodness. Hotel Gracery is a really cool place. Honestly, I mostly interacted with foreigners here. I met people from Germany and Australia. It was neat to see so many people from all over the world. The lobby of the hotel is, as you can see, quite amazing. If you love Godzilla, then you will absolutely love this place. We're just getting started in Japan, so please hit that like and subscribe button. In part 2, we'll explore a retro arcade. See you next time, everyone. Thanks for watching.